Good morning. If you don't mean sit down.
Yes, thank you, sir.
So your name is Ari, right?
Yes, sir.
I am Agung, to head of Human Asset Division in this organization.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Are you prepared for the prospective employee meetup?
Yes, I am prepared, sir.
Okay. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. My name is Eri Hartono. You can call me Eri. I am 19 years old and I just graduated from Ahmad Dahlan University, majoring in elementary school teacher education. My current daily activity is writing on my travel blog. I can consider myself a creative person who loves a new challenge every day. Thank you.
What department do you employ and why do you interested on it?
I was so interested in writing that I applied from the position of content writer. It's all because I love writing and I want to spread the good news to the world through my writing.
When it comes to your work, when were you most satisfied with it?
I don't think I get satisfied too easily. However, I don't consider complementing my job properly with all my best and on times as a satisfying experience.
You have strengths, don't you? Could you please mention there of them?
I did like to think I like to think that my creativity, my passion to learn new things, and my friendly personality as my strength.
And now, how about your weaknesses? Could you please mention three of them as well?
As a human being, I am sure I have more than their weakness. However, I won't let them stand on my way and bring me down. I think my biggest weakness are including my inability to focus when I have too many distractions. The fact that I get bored too easily and my inability to cope easily with failure.
Why should we hear you?
I believe I am the on the field position because I am experienced and I personally have my own passion in this field. I am sure I can give my best to the position if I am questioned.
How much salary you expect to receive receive every month?
I am expecting my salary to be around 3 million rupiah every month. I do really see that I have a lot to prove to my company. If I can prove myself in a good way in the next couple of months, I believe my salary is going to adjust itself.
Do you have any strategies to increase your business income?
Yes, I do have some excellent fresh ideas to increase the income of the company. It is including the idea of enhancing the social media usage to promote the business.
What do you think about working in a team and working under pressure? Can you do it?
I like working with other people in team. Personally, I think working in team is more fun because the job can be done quicker. About the pressure, I don't think I surrounding under pressure as long as I stay calm and focused.
What do you know about our company?
I know quite a lot of things about your company. Your company is basically company that aggregate in digital service. It is one of the largest on in this city and Burswick benefit every year. I think it is a honor for anyone to work in fine company like this.
Why do you want to work in our company?
As I said, working in this company is a honor to everyone. Your company has good reputation and more importantly, seem to be a good place to have an excellent working career in the future. That's why I am sure working here is what I want.
What are your goals?
Personally, my goal is to become a better person so that I can give better influence to the people around me, especially at work.
Do you have any ambition in your life that you want to achieve?
I do have a lot of ambition that I want to achieve in the life. However, one of the most important on right now is getting this job. I am ambition to get this job because I have the feeling that this job is the right one for me and I can bring the best out of more for this job.
Do you have working experience in this position before?
I do have quite a lot of experiences when I become the everything. Have I have my own blog and I wrote for a lot of magazines and newspaper when I was in college.
Do you have question about this job?
There, there's are job interview questions in English that are often asked and often end the interview. The agency currently wants an attitude of horizontally from you. From her and the agency can access whatever you are applying are really serious about wanting to work and know the ins and out of their agency or not. So, as much as possible, if this question is asked, as all things take make you currently so that when you get accepted, you already know everything.
Well, I choose that all I want to know from your Mr. Ari. You will hear from us in a week. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much for this opportunity, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you, man.